All right, let's go back to our spotlight down here. And if you remember, I opened my Spotify for some reason. And if you, well, you still have this spotlight, but we're going to unmark it again, so it's part of our system. So if you remember, this was the bubbles that kind of went over the screen when you did the color dodge here and everything. So we're just gonna add this back in, save, and go back. So now we should have the moving elements here, right? And as I mentioned in the previous videos, if you change some of the values, for example, with this one, let's go a little bit nuts. So let's do 85 on the first one. And it might be a little bit hard to see when it's this small, but look for how large the white areas is big enough. You can see like the bigger, like where'd it go? There we go. So the big one here is much more like powerful. Because the bubble or the circle that we created is much larger as well. So you can move these around to create effects that you kind of feel like works for you and for whatever reason that kind of fits. So right now this is probably not a circle, this is more like a, I don't know the name, but a not round circle. So there's a specific name I forgot. But yeah, you can just change what you want to do down here. You can change the animation speed. So if you want to go really fast, that's not really fast, but like this. That's really not super, but maybe 8 seconds instead. Like this will create like a slower effect for it. If we kind of try to remove this blend mode here called color dodge, you can see what this does. It does again, right? So we can see the bubbles behind it. That's why it's so bright at this specific thing. So again, the color dodge blend mode divides the bottom layer by the inverted top layer. And again, as I understand it, when you're using color dodge, you always make things brighter. First, I'm not entirely super sure how to describe color dodge. But anyways, so that's how you create this effect here without using any JavaScript, without using any super crazy things. And the next couple of videos that will be part of this course here is GreenSock. And the videos will be used from them. So you will follow videos from GreenSock and try to implement this to your page. First you can do this, or you can use the GreenSock, what's it called? Code pen that they have, you can use, and then eventually you will try to import and place it, implement it into one of these 4 here. All right, so next couple of videos will be for GreenSock animations, but for now you have an idea how you can use like standard CSS and HTML or SCSS to create these effects for web animations.